Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can sign into ClickUp. For that, guys, just click on the sign up button here. So as soon as it comes, write your email ID. Once you write an email ID, click on next and you can choose a password, whatever the password you want to put. Okay. Just write full name, work email and password. Okay. So once you have done, you can click on play with ClickUp. So now it will send a confirmation code to your email ID which you have given. So enter the confirmation code. They would ask you the same thing. What would you like ClickUp for? You can write the work, personal or school. Okay. You can set any one of the things. Let's say I'm using for personal. Let's say I want to work with 2 to 10 people. I want to design it for IT. So how did you hear it from us? You can add anything here. Um, let's say from YouTube. If you want to invite your colleagues, you can add their email address. Then just you add I'm done. Okay. Do you want to use any one of the tools? For now, I don't want to use. I'll just click on next. So lastly, what you would like to name your workspace? I'm just writing others workspace. I'll click on finish. So now you can see here workspace has been created. That is others workspace. Okay. So hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.